Okay, I'm recording. It's September 12th, 2014. Seamus, what book are you reading?
I'm reading Pete the Cat. It's my first book I'll be able to read.
Okay, go ahead.
So, you don't want, I know what this says, Pete the Cat. Too cool for school.
Okay.
And yeah, I bet you can read that. I bet you know that I can read that from the view. 5 seconds ago. Pete wants to look cool. He asks everybody, what should I wear? Pete's mom says, wear the yellow shirt, says Pete's mom. It's my favorite, so Pete does. Wear the red shirt. It's my favorite. Now, if you didn't know, I can't read most of the names.
It's okay.
So you have to. Okay, so Pete does. Wear the blue shirt. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Wear the green pants. Pete's math teacher says they are my favorite. Wear the shorts with the fish on them. They are my favorite, so Pete does. No. Okay. Wear the polka dotted socks. Pete's bus driver says they are my favorite, so Pete does. If you don't know, we're going to get more next day at the library. So, there's going to be more of these videos sent to you. Wear the cowboy boots. Grumpy Toad says they are my favorite, so Pete does. Wear the tie with stripes. They are my favorite. You Shelly, you really got good coughs. Wear the baseball hat. Pete's coach says they are my favorite, so Pete does. 1 second.
It's okay, Ellie. We're almost done. Where's Daddy, Ellie? Go find Daddy.
We're recording right now, Ellie. Yeesh. So Pete does. Does Pete look cool? No, he looks silly. And he's also feeling really warm. Turn that thing. He took off all the things he was wearing. Put in his favorite shirt, cat says, and his favorite pants, blue ones. Yeah, but you see that. Sorry if most of it is wet. It's because my mom is cleaning the counter, and that's the one's holding the camera. Mom. He put on his favorite socks, as you can kind of see right here, and his favorite shoes, I bet you can see, and his favorite sunglasses that I know you can see. And Pete says, now I will cool. If you want to be cool, just be you. I can stop recording.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.